Good morning, students. Today we're going to learn about Google Drive. So what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to log into your Gmail account. As you can see, I am logged in. Let me just make sure that it's the right account. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Gmail account. You're going to go to right here to the app launcher. So let's say Google Apps. So go here. And we're gonna go to this one right here, which is called Google Drive. It's this like it looks like almost like a triangle with a green, yellow, and blue. You click there, and what I like about this, it's what Google Drive is. It's actually iCloud, which is you're able to store stuff. And if you look on the left hand side, you have like all the information that you need. Here you have my drive, computer, shared with me, recent, start, and you can trash stuff up, your backups, and if you look down here, where I have my cursor, it actually tells me that I have 32.5 megabytes of 15 gigabytes used. So you can actually upgrade storage, but it's going to cost you money. I think 15 gigs is more than enough to have stuff stored. You can have multiple Google accounts, so you can store stuff in different accounts if it's that important that you're going to have things stored. As you get older, you get to high school, because I know most of you are middle school, but as you get to high school and you get to college, this is something that you might be wanting to use is Google Drive. Now, how do you use Google Drive? It's very easy, guys. All you need to do is you're going to click here where it says new, where you have the cross, the red and yellow and cross. What colors is that? Red, yellow, blue, and green. So I'm just curious. Anyway, it's going to ask you, what do you want to upload? Do you want to upload a file, a folder, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides? It gives you all these different options that you can do. We're going to start off, and I'm going to keep it simple. We're going to upload a file. So you click on File, and this is going to pop up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload something called my weekly calendar. Then I'm going to click Open. And if you look down here, it already did it. It says one file, one upload complete. Now, if you look over here, close that. There it is. So I was able to upload it. Now, what I like about this is that you're able to access my weekly calendar from anywhere. It could be from my laptop, it could be from a PC, it can be from my phone, from a tablet, from an iPad, any device across any platform. You're able to, as long as you're able to log into your Google account, you're able to access this. Now, what I have here is just a basic calendar that I use to keep tabs of what I do with you guys. So, now, let's say, for example, I want to um, be able to, here we go. I want to be able to share this with you guys. There's several things that I can do. Okay, so let me just show you here. I can make, I think this was annotations right here. Yeah, I can add a comment. I can print this out. I can actually download it. Okay, well, that didn't go too good. Well, I mean, I should be able to download. I don't know what happened there, but it will allow you to download it. Let me open this up again, and then you have three dots right here. You see that right there, or here in the top right corner here. There's like three dots, like one under the other. Well, here I'm gonna click. I'll do a lot of things. I can move it to somewhere else. I can star, which means I could make it into something that's a priority. I can rename my calendar. And what we're going to be doing is I'm going to share. So I'm going to click share, and then here I start typing out. For example, I think, let's see here. There we go. If I just put DA, I have different students here: Kimberly Damon, David Perez, Daniela Ruiz. I can send it to any of those students by typing in my email, or I can click here where I can get a shareable link. And also what I like about it is that I can allow them to edit, and I can allow them to comment, or I can allow just let them view it. So there's different things that I can do with this with Google Drive. And like I said, you can upload a file. Okay, cancel this. Done. Okay, go back. And what I want to do is I'm actually going to get rid of this. Right, when you right click from a mouse or your mouse pad, you can actually remove this. So I'm going to click remove, and there you go. Now, how do you upload a folder? Now, when you upload a folder, and this is the last thing I'm going to talk about, the folder, since you have files inside a folder, it could be either a document, could be a spreadsheet, could be an audio file, could be a video. Depending on the size of the folder, it's gonna it's gonna be how long it's gonna take you to download it. For example, click on new. If I go file folder upload, if I decide to do, for example, personal, okay, if I upload that, well, guess what? It's going to take a while because I have a lot of stuff in there. It will pop up down here, okay, but what's going to happen is that I will have it eventually. But like I said, it all depends on the size. And do not forget also, be always cognizant of the fact that you only have 15 gigabytes that you can use. If you're already using some of it, so you just have to subtract to see how much more you're going to be able to use. Okay, that's pretty much with Google Drive. It's pretty pretty easy. Once you start using it, it's super easy. It's very user friendly. So like I said, I myself use it, and I hope that you actually enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, raise your hand, ask me here during class, or email me at fsalazar.eacp@gmail.com. Thank you.